Hello YouTube, welcome to our video. We are How to Hosting Guide and this is our one of the latest hosting deals videos. This video will cover if a web hosting company provides a good deal and if this deal is actually worth it and what actually do you end up paying. So let's begin. Okay guys, today on the menu is Hostinger. As you can see here, they offer the biggest ever Black Friday sale, including free domain, free migration if you have another hosting provider, and 24/7 customer support. So, it all sounds great, and you get up to 79% off, but as it says here, $249 a month, we have to check if this is really so. So let's see. We see here that the $249 is for the premium plan, which is something like a startup plan, and when you renew the plan, the cost becomes $799 a month. So you have to be mindful of that. And the good thing is that they give you 3 months for free, which is awesome, especially if you're on a budget. Okay. Also, that $249 is only if you pay in advance for 2 years. So you pay them for 2 years, you get 3 months free, which is extra discount, and you get $249 a month. What does this plan include though? As we can see, it includes all the standard stuff. You get a lot of storage as well. You get WooCommerce, which is good. And you also get CDN, dedicated IP address. You don't get those stuff. You don't get priority support. You don't get on-demand backup, object cache, WordPress staging tool, Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin. And you don't get their AI website creation tools, which I have tried by the way, and they look kind of good. They can do a lot of work that you'd otherwise manually have to do, so they are kind of a grab go. Also, if we go down here, let's see, yeah, you get 40 PHP workers and of course the unlimited bandwidth, which is a good thing. Yeah, but the plan, let's choose this one. Yeah, the plan is this price only if you pay the whole price for 48 months. And after those 48 months, you can renew the plan and the price is much higher. So you need to be mindful of those 48 months when you go for hosting your web hosting. Overall, they're a good company. They're one of the best out there. They offer absolutely fast speeds and they have global servers. So wherever you're located, this is a good choice. As you can see here, if I go over to 12 months, the price becomes immediately more expensive. You get 75% discount still, but the best deal, the best offer that you will get is probably the 24 months one. I would personally go for the business plan, which is $349, because it gives you a lot more features plus a free CDN, which optimizes your website speed and will put your website higher in terms of SEO rankings on the search engines. And this is it for hosting here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hello YouTube and welcome to our latest deals videos where we discuss the latest web hosting deals of different companies. Today we will be talking about A2 hosting. The deals that they offer are 76% off. This is a bit higher than the average, in the industry average of web hosting providers in general. In the same time, their old price is $12.99, which is a bit higher. So with that 76% off, you actually end up paying $299, which is a bit higher than the standard in the business, as most companies offer somewhere between the range of $240 and $270 a month. However, let's see what this deal actually includes. Let's see. We have the get started. There they are. This is for shared hosting. Okay, but this is without WordPress. Interesting. This is just so basic shared hosting. No WordPress, nothing. With WordPress, you see the price here is quite big. This is too big. Even for WordPress hosting, I wouldn't recommend this one. But for shared hosting, this is a good price. Let's see, for shared hosting, what do they include here? Lightspeed, 10 gigabytes of storage. This is on the lower side, as most companies offer 20 and even 30 gigabytes of storage, and they have NVMe SSD, and whereas they offer NVMe only in their more expensive plans. This is just standard SSD. Lightspeed, okay. Free site migration, good. Automatic backups, good. And let's see what do we end up paying with this plan. Here we see the billing. This is for 3 years. This is for 3 years. You end up paying $107 instead of $359. This is a very good price for 3 years. But again, you don't get a lot of extras. You don't get WordPress. You have to install it yourself. And it's basic shared hosting. So would I recommend it for basic shared hosting? Yeah, definitely. This is a good deal. The price is normal in the industry, and on the plus side, you get tons of features. The storage is something that if I need storage, I would probably go for another company that offers similar deals, such as Hostinger or Ultahost, because this storage is a bit on the lower side. But overall, no, I would recommend this deal. Yeah, it's a good deal. It's a good deal, but you end up paying a bit on the higher side. So, yeah, but one thing that is good is that we're talking about A2 hosting here, one of the leaders in the hosting world, which provide really, really good service. So for the service that you're getting, this is a good price. It's okay. So yeah, basically this just about sums it up for A2 Hosting's deal. And that's it, guys. If you want to discuss anything in the comments about this company in particular, leave us a comment below and we'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you. Hello guys, today on the menu is Ultahost. We're gonna check the latest deals when it comes to Ultahost and what exactly do you get and is it really a good deal. Okay, so we see here that their web hosting plans are all discounted, and it's probably because we are in November and Black Friday is up and everybody is offering huge discounts. So let us see the shared starter plan, which saves you 40% for a 24-month term, kind of like another big company Hostinger. What does it include though? You get 30 gigabytes of NVMe, you get one domain, you get 10,000 visits, which is good, free backups, free transfer of the domain, and free SSL certificate, which is awesome. You get 30 days money back. The NVMe SSD is a big plus. And yeah, that's basically the starter plan. For the price, I would say it's a bit high, but it's not that high, so it's in the competitive terms. So if you like Ultahost and you're keen on their services, yeah, I would definitely recommend going for it. Because let's see what we get with this plan exactly. If we order the shared starter, let's see, we'll be taken to a page. Let's domain register whatever. Okay, edit. Let's continue. Okay, so we got to the pricing. And the pricing is you end up paying $71 per year if you sign up for this plan, which is a total save of $48 per year. Oh, this is for 2 years. I'm sorry. This is for 2 years. You end up paying about $72, which is actually, this is a better plan than Hostinger, because in Hostinger you pay about $100, but you do get a lot of features with that thing. So yeah, that's a good discount for a Linux shared hosting. However, if you want to get WordPress installation, I do believe, let's see here, yeah, I do believe the price is overall the same as the best in business, like Hostinger and other web hosting companies. And with that, you get two databases, you get the manager, you get the NVMe, basically shared hosting, the same deal as the Linux shared hosting with WordPress included and email account. Yeah, overall and all, this is a pretty good deal. Let's see how much do we get with this one. Let's see the domain, check it. Let's add it to the cart, continue. Okay, so this is a good price. This is a very good price in terms of how much do you pay. If you opt in for 2 years, the stuff that you get with this thing for Ultahost is very good. This is a very competitive price. So would I recommend it? I would personally go for it. Ultahost is a good company and the services are great, and yeah, they have servers all over the world, as in Africa, you see here in the US, in Europe, in the Emirates, even in Asia. So yeah, they're a good company and that is a good deal. So you won't be making a mistake going for this one, guys. That's it for reviewing Ultahost's latest deals, and thank you for watching. Hello YouTube, and welcome to one more of our videos in the latest deals playlist section. Here we discuss the latest deals about offered by web hosting providers, and we keep you in the loop. What exactly do you get with those deals? Today on the menu is Verpex Hosting, quite a popular company. They have a Halloween promotion here. Let's see what it offers. They have 90% off. I've never seen this almost nowhere. Most hosting companies offer up to 80, but 90, wow, that's a lot. We can see here that these are for the shared hosting plans. That's interesting, as the shared hosting plans are the ones that most people go for, as well as VPS server most people go for, and they offer 50% discount on those with their coupon code Halloween24. Okay, let's see. We have web hosting, which is 60 cents per month. What? Bro, what does that include? Let's see. We have unlimited bandwidth, of course. This is very good. Free domain, good. Daily backups, we have 45 day. Okay. I like this deal. This is a good deal. We see here that they have 60 cents a month, but they don't show for what period of time are those 60 cents a month. So I guess I'll click on start now and see what's up. Let's see where it will take us. Okay, so now the price here is a bit different. We have the price for the bronze package of $270 a month, which is somewhere close to Hostinger, I guess, and also Ultahost. Okay, let's choose 36 months period and see if the price is 60 cents. No, it's not. So I guess the 60 cents price wasn't 60 cents. It was 2 something a month. Okay, but let's go for the 36 month period to see just how much do we actually end up paying here. For one website, unmetered bandwidth, 30 gigabytes of NVMe, which is the latest technology of SSD. That's 30 gigs. That's okay, I guess. Bear in mind that this is their bronze plan for the shared hosting, which is, I mean, it's cool. It's cool. You get cPanel, which some people actually charge extra for. I don't get that, but here you get it for free. This is good. You get daily backups that are included for free. Okay, this is very good for the website security, and you also get the most important thing, free SSL certificate. Let's go to see more features. Okay, you get one CPU core, you get malware protection. Okay, that's a good deal. for a good competitive price, which is lower, by the way, than hosting here, and Ultahost as well. So let's see how much do we end up paying here. Okay. Why does it offer me Java? That's weird. Okay, let's go for the 60 cents. Oh, there we go. The 60 cents is for the Java web hosting. Okay. We go for Central Europe. We go for a new domain. Let's search for a domain, something completely random. I want it to be, yeah, that's standard price for a domain. Let's say we register it and we're adding everything to cart. Okay, we're at the checkout. Let's see, that's for the domain. How about the web hosting though? Okay. Yeah. This is for the monthly price. This is very good. This is very good. For 3 years you pay 86 bucks. That price is almost double with other hosting providers. For 3 years. For a year you pay 32. Okay, this is a very good deal. This is a very good deal. Let's say we go for Central Europe and we go for their annual plan. And let's see how much we end up paying. We end up paying $32.40 including taxes. This is a very, very decent deal. I don't think they have servers in Europe. Let's go for the US. Yeah, they have servers for the US. And basically if we get rid of that Java web hosting and include the domain, which is free, and the $32 for a year, this is a really, really good discount. I would definitely recommend if you're somewhere in the locations where they have data centers or want the web hosting there. This is a very good deal and I recommend it. I would definitely go for it if I was looking for a web hosting. So yeah, that's just about sums it up whether or not Verpex offers good deals for this period of time, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave us a comment if you have anything to comment on Verpex web hosting in terms of their services, their deals and their prices. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.